Hello. This is Kostas, and I'm gonna show you very fast how you can fix the issue uh, when you get the email from your Gmail that it's full and you're gonna get to get an offer or clean up space. Um, I'm gonna show you very fast how to start. First of all, just get to your Gmail account and select to your inbox and erase all your conversation in primary. Okay, so you're gonna have this when you select over here, you're gonna have this one that it says select all 31,000. You see, that comes from years of using your Gmail. So you can select to clear all of them and just click the bin and uh, click OK. That's all. It's going to start cleaning and you're going to see the numbers here changing all the time. Then you have to go to start and do the same. Just select all and click over here to clean everything. Okay, just click this one and you're gonna have everything clean. Then you can go to snoozed and do the same. Then go to important and do again the same. You see, I'm gonna select here, select all, and just select delete and okay, it's gonna clean everything. Then do the same for the send because there are gonna be a lot of emails that you send all this time. So you can select all of them and then click delete and it's gonna erase some gigabytes from your account. Again, do that for the drafts. It's all the emails that you never send and they're just there, they stuck over there. You can select all of them and just clean them. Just a moment. Okay, you just have to click discard drafts and that's all. Then you can go to even to categories and clean the social. Over here, for sure, you're gonna have so many emails, so you can just select the social, and over here you're gonna see that when you select, it just grabs 50 conversations, so it's better to select all 17,000, as you see here. It's about 18,000 conversations in social, so you can just select and clean all of them and just click OK. It's gonna save you a ton of gigabytes. You can do the same for updates. It's very critical to select all and just click to delete all of them. It's believe me, it's useless emails. If you want to keep them, just keep them. But on that side, you're gonna have to enable one of the packages that Google suggests and start uh, paying a monthly fee for getting those getting your email coming and getting to your inbox because on another way you're not gonna have any gigabytes. You see here I have 101% of 15 gigabyte used and after a while you're gonna see that this number is not gonna exist. You see here I have 13 thousands of conversation in promotions. That means that all of the promotions that I get with images and some of them they have uh, PDFs or anything inside those, I can select and clear all of them and just click here and confirm that they're gonna be deleted. You're gonna see that you have even more here. You have chats, you have scheduled, you have to clean everything. You have even to clean, you see all mail over here. I can select everything and select 70,184 conversation in all mail. That's gonna be the fastest way to select it and click delete. You see, this action will affect all 70,000 184 conversation in all mail, and that's gonna save me a ton of of space. Okay, it's gonna be great to clear even the spam. You're gonna find out that some of those emails might be useful, and you don't want to be in the spam, but again, you can select and delete all spam messages now. Okay, it's gonna clear everything. You can go to the bin and oh, sorry, I clicked just to stop deleting all messages from spam. But again, I'm gonna enable that because I want to clean everything from there. Give me a moment. Okay, after you deleted the spam, it's good to go to the bin and clean everything that it's in the bin already. And you can just click delete forever, and you see delete forever, and it's gonna delete everything from your bin. Okay, and I'm gonna show you right away the result. Give me a moment because it takes a while for Gmail to start cleaning all those emails because there are so many. And of course, if you used your Gmail for about 10 years, you're gonna have it for sure full of emails. So it's not a problem to clean all these kind of emails, unless if you have enabled to clean every email that it's older than 1 year, let's say, because you can even do that like that. Okay, now you're gonna have to give it some time to start populating the changes, and you're gonna see this number reducing. Okay, you're gonna see that it's gonna go under 90% because trust me, you have a lot of Gmail, and mostly even the promotional over here. It's so many that they fill up your space. You see that over here I have 10,000, and if you refresh Gmail, you're gonna see that the number is going down because all this time the program is trying to clean all those Gmails, and you're gonna see even this number going down. So don't think that Gmail is not erasing your stuff from here. It's gonna erase everything because you see, even to social, I have 17,000 Gmails. Let me show you here. And if I refresh, it's to 70,000. It has to go more down and start erasing all this time. You see, it keeps erasing because I told the system that I want all of them, all of the 70,000 to be erased. So if you're gonna see down here, it's gonna keep reducing, and you're gonna have a lot of space to use and regain access to your Gmail and be able to accept normally your emails. And one more thing that I want you to know is that even the photos that you keep pushing to Gmail, they get to your Google Photos, and even the videos. Those are better to stay to your phone. But if you feel that they're so important, and you feel that you have to save everything and you have to own a backup of all this material, then you're gonna have to enable the backup used with a Gmail and be able to have them saved to your save to your space. But in this case, trust me, you're gonna really have to pay something for this extra space, because you're not gonna be able to save that much time, that much space using this method and cleaning just your Gmail. You're gonna see here that already social are 16,000, and trust me, that number is gonna go more and more down. if I click here, you're gonna see that it's asking me to pay about that, but I want first to see and see exactly how much space all this useless email keep to my account. If you really feel like you want to save and to keep those Gmails, you can keep them and enable a subscription with Google and keep on having everything, even for so many years. But trust me, those promotional emails are useless, because if you didn't buy or you didn't do any action with them, then all these photos and all those PDFs and all those books or anything that they have sent you during this period, and it's a long period, uh, they just fill up a lot of space. So as you can see, I have so many emails that they're even sent from 2018. Now it's 2025, and they're too old emails. I have even from social. You're gonna see that there are so many old emails over here, and all the time that every time that you refresh the page, you're gonna see that all these emails are going down and the numbers are going down. Okay, and even the updates are most of them are too old. Trust me, you're gonna see updates even from you see from even from Google Console that I'm using, and they're too old. So I just remind you that you can just select all of them, select all to 22,000, and just click delete. Um, uh, you see that this action will affect conversation updates, and are you sure to continue? It's gonna start, and you're gonna see over here that we've moved some conversations to the bin. We'll do the same for any remaining conversations in few minutes. This might take longer depending on how many there are inside your inbox. Okay, so be patient about that, and just wait for these numbers to go down, because you're gonna be for sure able to use a lot of space, and maybe for the next 5 or 6 years be able to use again your Gmail without the need of any subscription. So keep your inbox healthy in case you want to use the free service from Gmail. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you to the next one. Bye bye.